equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a screwdriver, compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your MSI Pulse 15B13V and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, you can see the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling. Next, inspect the internal parts visually. Look for any loose connections or signs of wear. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Before any repair, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.